Hi, good afternoon. Today we're making a pasta. All right. We're gonna do a pasta today. Turkey with basil. This is it. I'm not gonna use all of this. I'm gonna just use a little bit. I can only have a little bit of pasta. And this is my basil. But I have 4 flags of garlic. 4 flags of garlic. I have an onion. We use this. I'm not gonna use all of it. I'm gonna show you. We use the cheese and also this have everything inside, and we're gonna use a little bit of pepper flake, give it a little kick, and some dry oregano with the basil, the turkey. Very simple. Onion, garlic. I have the water boiling with salt, with water, and there's the pot for the, and this is much. Only have a little bit of pasta. I thought I had more, but I'm just gonna make this with my wife because she can carry this to work. All right, just a little bit. I was maybe like a cup of pasta. All right, it's like a cup of pasta. Okay, it's not a lot. All right, and I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, we're gonna make a little bit of it, not a lot. I got that boiling right now. A little bit of salt water in there. I'm gonna turn this on. I'm gonna start cooking the ground beef. In the meantime, that's cooking. I have everything ready. I'm gonna cut this up and show you guys. I'm gonna cut this up and show you guys. Okay. I'm gonna turn this pot on. They got hot and put some oil in it. And you guys are welcome to my channel. You know, yesterday we make some good bolognese at workplace. You know, it's amazing. We had eggplant parmesan today at workplace, and that's 4 flags of garlic. Always gotta be careful with your knife. You get sharp, knife sharp, cut your finger off. It's very sharp. I have the olive oil. I'm gonna pour the olive oil. I'm gonna put it into the pot so you guys can see. I gotta work where you guys can see to the camera. See me? Put the olive oil in the pot. Onion, garlic. I'm gonna put some of this meat. About this much, not a whole lot. See, not much, okay? That's not a lot. If you do more, then you can use the whole thing. But you will start to what I use. I only have a little bit of pasta. And I have a little bit of pepper flake. Alright. A little bit of dry oregano. Add some of this. Alright, see, a little bit. That's not a lot. I'm not making a lot. It's going to take a long time. Very simple. You know. Food out there is very expensive, man. Things are so expensive out there. To buy lunch and buy dinner when you come home, you can always pick up something at the store, and you can have stuff I can always make. Now the stuff with the rest of the meats, meatball, can do chili, you know. Stuff is so expensive in Manhattan. We both work in the city. You know, where I work in a hospital. I get lunch and breakfast at my work. You know, this hard stuff she don't get it cash. She gotta pay for us. Buy lunch. That's why I make something cook for her. It's been nice and brown. We have the sauce. Oh, I forgot to put the milk. Show you guys the milk. We got some open milk we put in here, what we use for coffee in the morning. This is the one we use, evaporated milk. I'm gonna use a little bit of that to give it a nice creamy flavor. Alright, this is nice and brown. Add the sauce. I'm gonna add some of it. See, I don't add almost half of it. Why it's so hot? I'm gonna add some of the milk. Add some of the cheese. Add some of the cheese. You guys see a little bit of cheese. Turn it on. Let it simmer. Done with these. I'm gonna cut the basil. Nice fresh basil. You have extra basil left over and you're not using it, you can make a tea. Make a nice basil tea in the night. Put all the herbs, cinnamon, clove. Make it nice and relax. We don't throw these away. I just save them. Make a little nice tea in the night. And make you sleep good. Got the basil nice and chopped. Basil. Smell amazing. Let me see if the pasta is ready. Pasta is almost ready. Nice and tempting. Let's strain the pasta. Always good to have a nice little some of the water from the pasta. I leave some of the water back in the pasta. Yeah. Make it nice. finish. That's it, guys. Look at that. Beautiful pasta. Alright. Check that out. Nice. Not too dry, nice and creamy. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna just garnish it with some more basil and call it nice. Like the restaurant. You guys can make this. Alright? You guys see me make this. Alright? No joke. I'm right here. We make this, okay? You guys see me make this. Alright? We can do it. You guys can try it. Alright? Very pretty. Give it a shot, guys. Alright? Thank you, guys. Very simple, okay?